Welcome back. How to connect Samsung monitor to MacBook Pro. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If you want to connect Samsung monitor to MacBook Pro, then we need to follow some steps. If your Samsung monitor have an HDMI port, connect one end of an HDMI cable into the port and connect the other end into your MacBook Pro HDMI port. Second, if your Samsung monitor has a display port, connect one end of a display port cable into the port and connect the other end into your MacBook Pro Thunderbolt 3 USB-C port. Third, if your Samsung monitor has a DVI port, connect one end of the DVI cable into the port and connect the other end into your MacBook Pro's Thunderbolt 3 USB-C port using a Thunderbolt 3 to DVI adapter. And if your Samsung monitor has a VGA port, connect one end of a VGA cable into the port and connect the other end into your MacBook Pro Thunderbolt 3. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.